Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you, the chair, the floor, the bed, holding you completely. And you can allow your awareness to drift inward to the simple, constant rhythm of your breath. Not trying to change it, just noticing it. The cool air as it enters, the warm air as it leaves, and with each exhale, you can feel a subtle release. A letting go of the need to do anything or be anywhere other than right here. I don't know exactly what your day has held until this moment, but you can allow yourself to acknowledge it. The thoughts that have been circling, the sensations that have been present, the feelings that have come and gone. And it's okay. All of it is okay. Because right here, right now, you are giving yourself permission to simply be, to be with what is. And you might notice how your body responds to that permission, a softening in the shoulders, a relaxing of the jaw, a gentle settling in the belly, as if your entire being is sighing and saying thank you. And as you continue to breathe, you can begin to imagine a point of stillness deep within your core, a quiet center like the calm eye of a storm. And from this center, a sense of peace begins to radiate outward, very slowly, with each. And you can recall a moment, any moment, from any time in your life, when you felt a sense of true peace. It doesn't have to be dramatic. It might have been watching a sunset, or holding a sleeping child, or finishing a satisfying task, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of tea, feeling content. Find that memory now. And as you locate it in your mind, begin to step into it. See what you saw then. Hear what you heard. But most importantly, feel what you felt. That specific quality of peace. Is it a lightness in your chest? A warmth in your hands? A deep, quiet certainty in your gut? Identify the exact sensation. This is your resource. This is your proof that peace exists within you. Now, as you feel that sensation of peace growing stronger in that memory, you can gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Go ahead and do that now. Create a physical anchor. As you press them together, you are locking in this feeling, this neural pathway of perfect tranquility. Press and feel the peace amplify. And now release The anchor is set. Your subconscious mind has just made a powerful link. A link between that simple gesture and this profound state of being. I am a being of profound and unshakable peace. Tranquility flows through me like a deep, still river. And from this anchored place of peace, you can imagine that deep, still river now, flowing right through the center of your being. It moves slowly, powerfully. Nothing can disturb its depth. On the surface of your life, there may be ripples, waves, even storms. But deep down in the undercurrent of your soul, this river of peace flows on, constant, serene, unwavering. You can feel its cool, calming presence now, washing away any residual tension, any clinging worry, any speck of dust from the day, carrying it all downstream and out of your energy, then tone with every beat of your heart. This river expands, filling every cell, every tissue, every organ with its crystalline, peaceful water. Your muscles drink it in and soften. Your mind drinks it in and clears. Your spirit drinks it in and smiles. Every cell in my body vibrates with serenity. My breath is the tide of a calm ocean. In and out, in and out. I am grounded in the eternal present moment, where peace is always found. It shapes. It's as if your entire body is becoming a vessel for silence. Not an empty silence, but a full, rich, alive silence. The silence of a forest just before dawn. The silence of snow falling on a still night. The silence between the notes of a beautiful piece of music. Just before it's his silence. Now, gently test your anchor. Press your thumb and forefinger together again, and notice how that deep river of peace immediately responds. It rises to meet the gesture. The feeling floods back even stronger now, because you have practiced accessing it. You have told your neurology that this is important. This state is valuable, and your mind-body system is learning so quickly, so efficiently, that peace is just a thought and a touch away. I choose peace over worry. I choose calm over chaos. I choose serenity over stress. All lights. I am safe in my own presence. I am whole in my own stillness. And as you float in this tranquil state, you can send this feeling of peace ahead of you into your future. Imagine tomorrow. See yourself waking up, and as your eyes open, you instinctively press your thumb and forefinger together, and a wave of this same serenity washes over you, setting the tone for your day. Stowed Bellu is stowed stow, and a wave of this same from this widya, whole my nisht of day, of this place be belus kamimi, in the knowing disto, I meet all of life's experiences from this solid foundation of inner tranquility, and the universe supports my peace, and my peace supports my harmonious path. Oh, let this feeling deepen now. Sink into it as you would sink into the most comfortable, supportive bed. Allow it to hold you. You are cradled in peace. You are enveloped in tranquility. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do, no state to achieve. You are already here. You have arrived. And in this arrival, you can feel a beautiful balance, a perfect equilibrium between giving and receiving, between action and rest, between sound and silence. You are the fulcrum, perfectly balanced, perfectly at peace. My heart beats the rhythm of tranquility. My mind reflects the world like a still mountain lake, clear and undisturbed. I am in harmony with the gentle flow of existence. This peace you feel, it is intelligent. It knows how to heal. It knows how to restore. It knows how to guide you, so you can offer any remaining tension, any last whisper of unrest to this intelligent peace. Place it on the river and watch it float away. Offer it Taiki the silent space within and watch it dissolve into nothingness. I heart, your body knows how to integrate this state. Your subconscious mind is already weaving this tranquility into your very identity. With every breath in, you inhale peace. With every breath out, you exhale any resistance to peace. It's becoming automatic, natural. And as we begin to gently prepare to return, know that this state is not leaving you. You are simply learning to carry it with you. The anchor in your hand is a key. The river in your core is a wellspring. The silence in your awareness is your true home. You can return here anytime. A single breath, a touch of your fingers, a memory of this feeling, and the gates of peace open wide once more. So, let's take a final deep integration breath together. Breathing in, gathering all this peace, this calm, this serenity into every cell of your body, holding it, letting it saturate your being, and breathing out, sending a wave of this tranquility out from you, blessing your space and your world. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.